Hi guys, this is Mr. Mills with another how-to video. This video is going to be about starting and some of the features with a Zoom meeting. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get our Zoom open. So if you come down here into your search bar, you can click on it and just start typing Zoom. And if you've downloaded the Zoom app, you'll see, it'll come up and you'll just double click on that. What that'll do is that'll start the meeting browser and meeting application for Zoom. So once you're here and you're ready to start a new meeting, you would just click here on this little arrow where it says new meeting, and you want to use your personal ID and you want to start with a video. We'll go ahead and click new meeting, and then Zoom will start that new meeting. And now this meeting can be accessed by anyone that you give the code to. All right, so now that we're in our meeting, I want to show you a couple different things that can happen in the meeting. Okay, it's going to ask you, do you want to join with your computer audio? And it's also then going to ask, it may ask you also about your video. So when you're here, I have some settings done to where I can already start recording. So I'm going to stop that real quick, show you how to do that. So when we first log in, you'll see down here you've got a record button, you've got chat, share screen, manage participants, invite, stop video, start video, and a mute button. So to record yourself on your Zoom, you would go ahead and click here and click record. And that's it. That's as simple as it is to get started recording your Zoom lesson. So as you're going through, you may want to share your screen with your kids. So let's say it's a math lesson and you have a slide that you want to show them. So you would come here and you'd click on share screen. When you share your screen, it's going to bring up everything that you have open and ask you, okay, do you want to share your entire screen or do you want to share something specific? So if you have your CMCC lessons going, you can go ahead and just share that, or if you just want to work it normally, you can share your entire screen. When you share your entire screen, it's going to come up and you click share. It's going to make your face go a little small, and then it's going to bring up a new annotation bar. This may take a minute. As you can see, I now have a little itty bitty face here, and I have this new bar up here. Now this bar up here, your students and anyone who's following or with it being recorded is not seen. Okay, so we can come up here. We still have the ability to mute ourselves, to stop the video, and we can pause the sharing, a new share, which means allowing somebody else to share. But then I really want to show you this annotate button right here. So when you click on the annotate, excuse me, you get this new bar down here. Now, in here, this is where you can draw right on top of your screen. You can click a spotlight, which changes your cursor to be either this little spotlight, so you can kind of be like, okay, it's everybody, let's track along here. If you're following something along, if you want to write, you can write with it. It's a really great tool to help you enhance your lessons. When you're finished with that, you just click back to mouse, and you can click the X to save it. Now, if you have annotated something, so let me show you. Let's say I draw a look. I want you to look right here, and I want to take it all away. I just go to clear, and it's going to clear all my drawings, and then it's going to clear everything away. Again, click the X to make my annotation bar go away. Okay, let's say now I'm done sharing my screen and I want it to go back to just be focused on me. I'd come up here where it says stop share and just click stop share. And then after that, I just stop my recording. And when I end my meeting, you'll see that you can just end it for all. And after that, I will convert your video to a file. In the next video, we'll talk about how to get that file with the right name and upload it to your Google Drive.